Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicole Thea. Today I'll be showing you guys how I slay this wig from start to finish. And this hair was sent to me by YeahWigs and they sent me their straight 18-inch lace frontal wig. So let's go. Okay, before we even get into this video, can we just take in how transparent this wig is? I cannot wear a wig cap with this. It looks so silly if I was to put a wig cap underneath. Right, so now we've thrown away that wig cap. This is how the wig came to me. So the knots have not been bleached and it did come pre-plucked. So I actually forgot to mention what hair this is. This is Peruvian hair and 150 density. This actually has 3 clips in it and also has this like strap at the back to tighten it if it's too loose. One thing I do like about this company is that you can pick the lace colour and you can also pick the size of your cap. So my lace colour is medium brown and the size of my cap is medium. So the first thing I'm going to do is bleach the knots on the front of the 360. I'm not going to do the back. I literally just bought this from my local drugstore, hair shop for my UK girls, Afro Cosmetics or Packs. I'm not no expert, but I do know this. Do not make like your mixture very runny. It needs to be thick, so it doesn't seep through the lace and then your hair will get bleached and we don't want that. So yeah, it should literally do this, which is nothing. At this point, I was just fed up because the knots didn't bleach one bit. But I think that was my fault because I only left it on for 10 minutes. I don't know why I done that, but yeah. So I had to go and bleach it again. I know I didn't wash out the bleach properly, but that's because I knew I had to do it again. So now baby girl's looking a bit more healthy.
Do this.
Then I measured the elastic from ear to ear and then sew it to the cap. I mean the wig. I think if you don't want to go through all the hassle with buying hair, buying a frontal, trying to find a hairstylist to install it or to make you a wig, I think this would just literally be a winner. I have literally done nothing to this wig. You don't have to be an expert. Honestly guys, purchase this wig.